Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Siwan in poll-bound Bihar today, where he launched a fierce attack on RJD leader Lalu Prasad Yadav, accusing him of dishonoring Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Prime Minister Modi has also reframed social justice as BJP's strength tied to welfare and inclusion. Now, this is with regard to the video of RJD founder Lalu Prasad Yadav, where a portrait of B.R. Ambedkar was seen near Mr. Yadav's feet, something that led to a lot of controversy in the state. Also, a notice from the SC Commission to Lalu Prasad Yadav. Before I get in my guest, let's listen into what the Prime Minister said today.
बाबा साहब आंबेडकर भी इस प्रकार की राजनीति के बिल्कुल खिलाफ थे, इसलिए लोग कदम कदम पर बाबा साहब का अपमान करते हैं। अभी पूरे देश ने देखा है कि आरजेडी वालों ने बाबा साहब की तस्वीर के साथ क्या व्यवहार किया। मैं देख रहा था बिहार में पोस्टर लगे हैं कि बाबा साहब के अपमान पर माफी मांगो, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं ये लोग कभी माफी नहीं मांगेंगे, क्योंकि इन लोगों के मन में दलित, महादलित, पिछड़े, अति पिछड़े के प्रति कोई सम्मान नहीं है। आरजेडी और कांग्रेस बाबा साहब आंबेडकर की तस्वीर को पैरों में रखती है, जबकि मोदी बाबा साहब आंबेडकर को अपने दिल में रखता है। बाबा साहब का अपमान करके लोग खुद को बाबा साहब से भी बड़ा दिखाना चाहते हैं। बिहार के लोग बाबा साहब का यह अपमान कभी नहीं भूलेंगे।
Dr. Ajay Alok of the BJP and Priyanka Bharti of the RJD join us now. Thank you both of you for joining me on this broadcast. Priyanka Bharti, Maafi is all that the Prime Minister is talking about. If a Maafi could have solved this, why not an apology? You're muted, ma'am.
I'll talk about Maafi, but let me show you something. This is the picture of PM Modi today. So when Drama King entered Bihar, he was wearing a Neela Gamcha. The moment he left Bihar and entered Orissa, he took it off. So see, someone should remind him that this Neela Gamcha is not mere a piece of cloth. It's a symbol of self-respect and dignity for crores of Bahujans. And a person who couldn't carry the Neela Gamcha for even a single day, can he follow the footsteps of Baba Sahab? Let me come to Lalu ji. He's asking for apologies. We also asked apologies from Amit Shah ji. But let me come to Lalu ji. If someone talks of Lalu ji that he asked for forgiveness, no. Everyone would mock them. Because when you talk about Baba Sahab Ambedkar and Lalu ji, from making a statue of Baba Sahab in front of Patna High Court to giving Baba Sahab Bhimrao Ambedkar Bharat Ratna, from giving the students from Dalit communities scholarships to increasing reservations, from renaming Muzaffarpur University on the name of Baba Sahab Ambedkar, Lalu ji has always been and is a stalwart of social justice. But should I answer BJP? See, the leaders of BJP have all in the parliament said, Ambedkar mat karo. His CM just removed the picture of Baba Sahab the moment she entered office. And this is the same BJP who called Hindu Code Bill nuclear weapon and burned effigies
Okay,
of...
that was a very different BJP. Priyanka, I get your point. Dr. Alok, how much is this issue going to resonate with people of Bihar? Because RJD is saying that this video is being misrepresented to polarize voters. But if you look at it, Priyanka, I do agree with the fact that it looks like disrespect. And I do feel that, I know that you will talk about other people who have not apologized and agree with that. Dr. Alok, how do you see this issue resonating with the people of Bihar, specifically those from deprived sections?
Had it not been resonating, they wouldn't have been doing so much of drama and Nautanki, what these big parties are doing right now. It's a simple question that you can keep the portrait of Baba Sahib in your feet and you take pride in that. And after that, after few hours after that, you can throw the Baba Sahib pictures in the dustbin, which was very much evident on various TV channels shown in the RJD office. Well, that's absolutely their view how to view it and how not to view it. As far as Prime Minister Modi goes and as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party goes, we made punch tests. Who stopped them from doing so? Did we stop them? Congress party can claim Bharat Ratna for themselves. Nehru can give Bharat Ratna to himself. Indira Gandhi can give Bharat Ratna to herself. Rajiv Gandhi can get Bharat Ratna just after death. But Baba Saheb had to wait for 45 long years. Who was stopping? Lalu Yadav was not at all instrumental in Bharat Ratna because in 1990 it was a VP Singh government. Lalu Yadav was busy enjoying his chief ministership and halting Advani's Rath, doing all anti-Hindu act, what he was doing right from the beginning. The question here is, Baba Saheb does not represent a mere Dalit. He represents the whole Indian constitution. He represents the whole India. Don't restrict Baba Saheb to just a formidable Dalit. And don't symbolize Baba Saheb with a Neela Gamcha.
Okay.
In our country, Naxal also wears Neela Gamcha. Don't symbolize Baba Saheb with a Neela Gamcha. Baba Saheb means tricolor. Baba Saheb means constitution of this country. If this much understanding prevails, I guess the country will move in the right track.
Okay, so that's an important point, that we shouldn't be boxing our icons into boxes. Ms. Bharti, but I do feel that with this act, with this episode, there's a certain part of your own social justice, platform, agenda, narrative that has been ceded to the BJP in a state where Nitish Kumar is actually very strong when it comes to the EBC vote, or for that matter, caste census, with both Nitish Kumar and the centre now standing together on caste census, with the centre also sort of announcing this. Do you think that this episode could actually give you some sort of an electoral setback?
Not at all. You see, Ajay Alok calling the persons who take Neela Gamcha Naxals, and his one of MLAs calling the people who raise the slogans of Jai Bhim, calling them criminals, is not shocking for me, because they have been always abusing Ambedkar, beginning from Savarkar. Will he denounce Savarkar today? Because Savarkar wrote in Savarkar Samagra. I can even tell you the pages so that it's easy for you to read. Page number 270, go and read it out. He wrote, Ambedkar Kutil tha, Ambedkar Girit tha, Ambedkar Bhakta tha. Now tell me, the party and the people who follows the footprints of Savarkar, will they ever respect Ambedkar? First of all, you have to make a clear line.
Okay, Dr. Alok, respond to that, because I'm completely out of time. It's an important point. She's saying that, this love that the BJP has for Ambedkar is only because of electoral reasons. It is not ideological, is what the RJD spokesperson is saying.
First, they should decide whom they are fighting with. We are the party and we have the leadership who has Savarkar in our heart and Ambedkar in our mind. And that's how we are running this country for the last 11 years. And country has again and again reposted their faith in the leadership of Modi, not in the thief like Lalu, who is official declared Chara Chor. Declared Chara Chor. And please don't compare your leadership with anywhere near my leadership.
See the wordings he
You are on TV, national TV, that's fine, because of a courtesy of our Indian democracy. Otherwise, people like Lalu Yadav should be, they are banned from contesting elections by the Honorable Court. And you have the audacity of making
Priyanka, you wanted to respond to that? Priyanka, you wanted to respond to that?
The word he used was Chara Chor, and the word which I would like to use is Pocket Maro ki party. The party who spies on women. This is the party Ajay Alok belongs to.
Completely out of time now. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, Dr. Alok, for joining me on this broadcast.